Hello, this is Kenneth Wong, editor for DE, and this is In Their Own Words, a sponsored video series. Data management and collaboration issues are part of DE's coverage of the digital thread that connects design, manufacturing, and the rest of the enterprise. Today, many PLM vendors are incorporating social media-inspired features to make collaboration look and feel like chatting with a colleague on Facebook, a format many are now familiar with. That often means building a cloud-hosted infrastructure accessible from browsers and thin clients. How does that affect assembly loading and viewing? One of the bottlenecks in performance in collaboration applications. Here is Vertext take on the problem and the solution it offers in their own words.
Successfully designing quality, innovative products and getting them to market fast depends on design collaboration across the extended enterprise. An enterprise that includes both internal teams and potentially hundreds or thousands of suppliers around the globe. But that's easier said than done. Designers are relying on old, expensive, and complex systems that haven't improved in decades. 3D product data is only available to those who have the right software and a powerful enough machine to run it. Many people vital to product development don't even have access to the information they need to do their jobs. Instead of innovating, design engineers are bogged down with admin, preparing files so 3D models can be shared. And workarounds to data sharing put intellectual property at risk. Current technology has held back effective collaboration. Without it, engineers wait around for models to load and take hours preparing data for users without PLM access. Eager teams struggle with complicated, tedious methods to access the information they need. And companies spend thousands on the hardware and IT staff to support it. Those days are over. Vertex fuels collaboration across the extended enterprise. Our 100% cloud-based platform is breaking through today's 3D collaboration limits. Now, teams can load 100,000 BOM lines in a blink, access models with thousands of users, share models instantly and securely with anyone, get up to speed on any device with zero training, and render massive models using only CPUs. Let's take a look. Instead of waiting minutes or hours for models to load, you can now import and load massive models in seconds with Vertex. Users move and manipulate the model without waiting for rendering or lag on even the most complex designs. Toggle and search BOM components to easily filter by part name or customize your search using your metadata. Hide or display the parts you need to share without risking your valuable IP. Drop a pin directly on the geometry and add comments to create meaningful conversations with your internal team and external suppliers. Easily capture your filtered view, including pins and comments, in a snapshot. Select multiple snapshots and bundle them into a story that you can easily and securely share with anyone. Sharing with colleagues is as easy as typing an email address. Now that your suppliers and internal collaborators have access to the story, real collaboration begins. Collaborators respond to comments and export the geometry from your snapshots, giving them instant access to make changes and innovate. Then, they import their new geometry directly into the Vertex story through an attachment. Attachments can also include spec sheets, meeting notes, and any other necessary materials you need to make decisions. Because Vertex is cloud-based, you can access your models from anywhere on any device. With no special hardware or software needed, you can review, comment, and stay up to date with your project wherever you have an internet connection. It's time to get more out of your data and more out of your teams. Are you ready for 3D collaboration without limits?